this is how the Lenovo T31 looks like inside. I have broken it, show all those parts, and you can see different parts. This is the port where you expect to find your RAM. So this is the RAM area. This is the processor. It's the processor part, which is this one. I'm holding it here. If, of course, you have not seen the processor inside this one, it looks like this. Here, this is actually the processor. Let's see whether you can see it. Dell. This is Dell. So this is Dell. This is where you there is fan, which I've just put it here. This is the fan. Okay, so that's the fan. You've yeah, this is the fan. So it's already this is its socket here. Of course, it gets in this way. Okay, we have this part here. Basically, it's a very simple kind of a machine. Lenovo T31. So it's easy to assemble. It's easy to break it down, as you can see here. And kindly you follow my channel. Make sure you subscribe, and I will be posting these parts on how to assemble them. Basically, if I want to assemble this one, let us assemble the processor. So if you put it here, it will get into these parts. Consider some os. Yes. Should be very keen when you are trying to assemble this. Must be very keen. So we have turned it there. Then there is a lock here. This is a lock here. This is a lock. So what you need to do is basically lock it like that, and you have fixed your processor. So the processor is now in its position. That is it. Remember to subscribe.